received the bill stating that I had been charged.
I've got the answer.
I'll touch base with you later.
I'm Andy Wise, and I'll help you stay.
Can you say hey, Daddy? Can you say hey, Daddy? Can you say hey, Daddy? We're going to send Daddy a video. Can you say hey?
No. Stop.
Can you say hey, Daddy? Say hey, Daddy. What? No.
You turn the tape for Daddy?
Can you reach down and pull? No. Can you reach down there and pull her thing out of her way?
Overtime, final paychecks, and other wages. The overtime law requires most
Hang on.
employees
I'll let
to
y'all say
pay
something in just a minute.
their hourly rate for any hour over 40 worked in a week.
I was trying to get her smiling at the ceiling fan.
Paid a salary, they may
Get
be
out of her
entitled
face,
to
Maddie.
Look, big
call the
eyes.
Cochran firm to learn about
Say
common
hey, Daddy.
violations
Can you give him a smile?
See,
Lily, can you smile for your daddy?
let me see your big eyes.
Aubrey, back up, please.
I want to see your big eyes. Look up here, Lily. I want to see your big eyes. Lily.
Okay, y'all want to get down there next to her and say something for Daddy?
He's cute. Hey, Daddy, I really miss you. Tomorrow.
Well, he's coming back on Monday.
Big Switch is a 97 days. Log on to
I bet we'll be
WMCTV.com.